So I'm getting ready to go out tonight and I wanted to show you guys how I achieve my slick back buns. So this hair is about 2 weeks old, soak pressed, and the weather, it has been raining like a couple of days the past week or so, so it's like super frizzy. My roots are frizzy and the ends. I also been going to the gym as well, so I'm kind of started sweating out the edges. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I turn this into a slick back bun. So the products I'll be using is this Melanin Multi-Use Oil Blend, the Murray's Edge Wax, and then the Shea Moisture Stronghold Styling Gel. And then I also have, you're gonna need a couple scrunchies. So right now I have 2. And then I have this, it's really like a blow dry brush, but I use it for my slick backs. But if you have like another hard bristle brush, you can also use that as well. It works the same. And then you're also gonna need a comb. So I'm gonna start by making sure all my hair is detangled. This can also work on blow dried hair as well. I just want to make sure nothing, no tangles and knots. Okay, and then I already parted my hair. I'm just going to do a simple middle part. And then I'm going to take the oil and just for moisture, moisturize my hair. It also gives it a little shine. Especially the back, since we're going to be doing a bun. And then I'm also going to oil my edges just to give them some extra moisture. Really focus on the ends. So next you want to decide how you want your hair to lay. So I usually do 2 ways. You can either do straight to the side and around, or if you want to do more of an angled look towards the back. I don't know if you guys understand. So like this one is going to be straight to the back and this one's going to be to the side. So there's 2 different parting. I'm going to go with the back one and we'll do that. So I'm going to go with this side with the hair kind of towards the back in an angle. And then you can really focus on your edges, which you can do with the other one as well. But I'm just gonna try this one today. So I'm gonna go in with the Shea Moisture Gel. And I'm gonna lay this all over my hair. I do want to say this gel is very moisturizing. So you just want to lay it all on the top. Then take your brush and then go over it. Just be sure you are brushing it back. Okay, so now that you have the primary slick back, you want to take the Murray's Edge wax or any type of wax that you want to use. So I like to spread it out on the palms of my hands just to make it easier for me to cover my whole head. And then you want to start at your edges, at your hairline, and cover everything. Don't worry about the white cast for now. It does go away once you, one, start brushing, and two, tie it down just so it can sit for a bit. But you want to be sure you are getting everything. And also, if you want a little bit of a higher bun, be sure you are getting your kitchen, the little pieces in the back as well. Slick that. I usually only slick it with the wax. So I'm gonna go in with my brush and just brush it down. And then in the back as well, I'm gonna brush the edges up in the back. Then I'm gonna take my scrunchie and just bun it. Like I said, do not worry about the white pieces for now. They will end up going away. You do have to let it set for a little while, which is why I do recommend you do this. You know, like, you can do this like before you go somewhere. Like, for example, I have like an hour or so before I have to go somewhere. But don't do it like when you need to walk out the door or anything. And then be sure you're always getting this little piece right above the ponytail, because at times with this gel, it can get a little clumpy. It'll just be parted weird, so. And then just bun. And then I really like small buns, so I'm just gonna take it. Sleek pull back look. So with the front, as you can see, like I said, there is some casting, and then there's also, like, you can see some texture, I guess it would be called. So I'm going to take a silk wrap. I have this really big one right now, but I'm just gonna fold it in like a triangle. And you just wanna tie it down. Like a regular scarf, you know. And there you go. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after. I still have to do my makeup and everything, but once that is complete, I will show you guys the final product. Okay guys, so I could not show you my hair with my makeup done because my area went on a tornado watch last night, so my plans of going out to eat and everything was canceled. But I did do my makeup, but I was too worried. My lights went on and everything, so there was no way for me to actually like film. But I just wanted to show you guys the final product. So this is my hair. Like I said, I did the angle towards the back one with the bun. And it's super cute, it's super simple. The only thing that I would say is, like, after a suppress or something and you add those products to your hair, you probably want to wash it, you know, within like a week or so, since you have the products in your hair. Or earlier if you need, but from here, all I would do, like, if you want to do some edges or something to make it, you know, if you want to, you like the edges look, but I do like the clean slick back look. I wish I could have shown you guys with makeup on, but if I do go somewhere later today, I will show you guys.